to my United Arab Emirates collection. This is United Arab dirhams. I have 100, 50, 20, new 10, old 10, and 5 dirhams. I don't have 1,000 and 1,500. So this is front, back, 1,000 dirham, 100 dirhams, 50, 20. This is 10 old new, this old 10, and 5 new. Welcome to United Arab Emirates dirham collection. I don't have 1,000 and 500. Again, this 100 dirhams, this 100 dirhams is equivalent to peso 1,514. In US dollars, this is 27.22. In euro, this is 24 euro. Thank you for watching.